Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wizy and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, guys, we're gonna talk about 5 signs that shows that you're about to become a profitable forex trader. So if you're actually trading and you're actually having these 5 signs, just know that you are this closer to become a profitable forex trader, right? So, and the first sign is you see forex as a business and not gambling. You understand? So most people they trade forex as a gambling, right? But if you start treating forex as a business, that means you are this closer to become a profitable trader. That means you're actually trading forex with a structure, with the rules, with the rules and everything, guys. So you don't just like wake up in a random day and start trading without having rules, right? So you actually have to have rules. Treat it as a business. You have the pair that you're actually trading, you have the strategy that you follow, and you have your trading hours, and you have your targets. You understand? You have your target, daily target, weekly target, and monthly target, and you actually that's how you have all the structure, right? So yes, guys. So that's the sign number one, guys. You're actually gonna be a profitable forex trader. You understand? So you treat forex as a business, not gambling. You understand? So sign number two is you think in percentages, not in money. Right? So now listen, let me tell you something, guys. If you're actually thinking in percentages, right? You actually detach your mindset from money, from the pressure. You know money has pressure. So if you are trading and you're actually thinking like, oh, okay, I just want to make $300 today, or I made 500 USD, you know what I mean? So that means you're actually trading with the pressure. But if you start seeing the percentages instead of money, you start seeing like, okay, today I made a 3%, right? Today I made it 5%. You see, that's the growth right there, and that's how you become profitable trader, because it's not about the amount, it's about the percentages that you're making. If you make a 3% per day or 5%, that means you're actually in a profitable. Even if you make a 5% per month, guys, you actually made a good 10. You understand? Because now remember, some of the people that are actually holding trades, the investors, they actually aim maybe 2% per month of the revenue, right? So by forex, we actually have a good space where we can actually turn that. We can even make 100%, 200% per month. You understand? So yes, if you think in percentages, guys, trust me, you are very closer to become a profitable forex trader. So guys, I'm actually checking the chat right now. We are doing a New York session right now. We actually traded in a London session and we only got one trade, right? And I actually sent that in a VIP group, which is actually free. You can go ahead and join right now, guys. It's 100% free. So sign number three, you are about to become a profitable trader, is you stick to a plan. Okay. So and that's a very very important, guys. Sticking to your plan. If you actually stick it to your plan, trust me, you are very closer to become a profitable trader. Let's say even if you have 100 USD, right? But you are sticking to your plan every day. If you don't see anything according to your plan, if you actually stick to it, you are not trading over the emotions or stuff like that. If you stick to the plan, you are this closer to become a profitable trader, and it's very clear, guys. Sticking to the plan. Don't just take a random trades, just to go outside your plan out of pressure or of fear of missing out, the fear, closing too early because you feel like, oh, it's enough. You understand? So you actually have to follow your plan. If your strategy said you need to hold the tick till you hit take profits, you need to hold it. If it says you just have to, whatever that your strategy do tells you, you stick to that plan. And if you are doing that, guys, just know that you are this closer to become a profitable forex trader. Trust me when I say that again. And everything that I do, I'm telling you here, guys, that's what I do personally, and it's something that I actually struggle a lot to actually master it, the plan, guys. You just have to have a plan. You see, like me right now, we are during London session, right? New York session. So during London, we actually got to one trade, and everything was just according to the plan. Understand? Everything was just inside the plan. We actually opened a trade, you know, the market went up and it hit our take profit one. So when the market hit our take profit one, we actually closed partial and then moved the stop loss at the break even. Understand? And that's exactly what we did. We moved the stop loss at the break even and we closed partial profit. So the market didn't play well. The market went back down and hit our stop loss, which was already at the BE. So we ended up with the profit for today, and that's a discipline. That's sticking to the plan. You understand? So yeah, that's it. If you have that sign, just know that you're gonna be a profitable trader. So sign number four, right? If you have this sign, guys, if then you know that you are about to be a killer, you're about to be a beast in this market, you're about to be, I don't know, man, you're about to be that guy. The broker, they're actually gonna be scared of you. Trust me. Brokers, they're gonna work with you. Brokers, they're gonna come after you like, yo, bro, you are doing good. And investors, they're gonna come after you. There's a lot of people with money, but who are they gonna trust? But if you have this sign, guys, just know that you're gonna be a profitable trader. You accept the losses calmly. It sounds like that, but that's just how it is. You accept the losses. When you hit stop loss, you don't just um overreact. You don't overtrade. Once you hit stop loss, when you make a loss, you don't force your way in again and try to revenge the trade or trying to get your money back now. So if you actually hit stop loss, you stay out like that. You wait again. So now remember, every pips is end. Every pips, every dollar is end. So you don't just like open a trade randomly trying, without your strategy, without the structure to be clear. So if you actually open a trade, that means that you actually open a contract. Like exactly that, like we said, you treat the forex as a business. Every trade is a contract. Once you in, you in. And when you in, there is a hitting your targets or hitting stop loss. When you hit stop loss, you accept it calmly, and then you stay out. You wait again for another contract, another trade that looks like what you are looking for. So that's exactly, again, you accept loss calmly. Don't ever react. Don't over trade it. Don't fight with the market. Trying to be a gangster in the market. The market that don't care if you're a gangster or not. Let me tell you that. The market don't give a shit about your feelings, dude. You can't just come in the market, you lose some money, and then you wanna be a gangster, you wanna be mad. No, no, no. It won't work well for you. You know what I mean? It's like you are pouring petrol, trying to turn off fire. That's exactly what we're doing, guys. So you don't just like when the market hits your stop loss and then you jump in and trying to get your money back. Nah, this is not a war. It's just so. Sign number five that you're about to become a big forex trader, and this is one of my favorites, right? It's risk management come first. If you feel like a risk management in your trading career, in your trading journey comes first, man, you're about to become a beast. You know, you are becoming a beast. If you feel like, okay, risk management, every your account, right? You're not just like a trading randomly, or you know, every lot size, it's calculated. Every pip, it's calculated. You know what I mean? You're not just like opening a trade randomly. What you're actually doing is you know exactly what you are risking. How many percentage are you risking per trade? Because you won't tell me you are risking 50% of your account in one trade, right? Which that's just even a killer. You can't do that. So you have to risk at least 2%, 2%. 3%, you can go up to 5% if you're actually very good at it, you know, you can go up to 5%, but don't trade more than that because at the end of the day, the success rate doesn't come only on one trade. It comes with the how many trades did you take. Let's say you take 5 trades, you win 3, you lose 2, right? That's how it works. So make sure that you have money to open another trade. Don't just risk on one trade, and when that trade goes wrong and you are outside, you can't trade anymore. And the crazy part is not only you can't trade, but you are not a trader. Like how are you blowing account? You know, Forex trader doesn't blow account. Me, I can guarantee you that I don't remember when last I blew the account. The Forex might be ups and down, but the blowing account is a no. You have to stay in a game, like making money. You withdraw, you pay your bills and stuff like that. So now you're telling me you're going to extend of blowing your account. That means your percentages are not clear enough. So risk management first comes first. You don't compete with the Instagram profits. People showing you profits. Now you don't want to do that. Just because you see someone opening 100 lot size, 100 lot size, and you feel like, okay, let me just apply that energy to my account. All right, so account is gonna show you pay. It's gonna show you fire. It's gonna show you what it's gonna show you, man. And guess what? You're gonna be alone in that room, and that's when everything is gonna be hectic. You know what I mean? So that's why, guys, you actually have to be those are five 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 risk management. 5 signs, 5 signs you're gonna become a profitable trader, guys. So if you actually have these signs, guys, let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know, do you have these signs? And if you don't have any of these signs, guys, it's time to start working on yourself. Do you trade Forex as a business? Let me ask you that question first. Like, let me talk to you like one-on-one right now. Do you trade the Forex as a business? And if you don't, it's time for you to think about that. Start trading Forex as a business. It's no gambling. You know, every pip is end, and you are trading with the structure. What time do you wake up to trade? What time do you open your chart? You know what I mean? Because you won't tell me like you're always on a chart the 24 hours, like the whole day. No, you need to pick hours. I trade, I work from 9 to 10. I take a break. I work again 9 to 10. You have a plan, and that's how you grow. And now, let me again, and another question. Do you think in a percentage or you're actually chasing money? Because if you're chasing money, remember you're actually gonna have the pressure on you. So you need to think about in a percentages. You know, Let me tell you, do you know if like a profitable traders, they're actually making profitable traders to become a profitable trader, it's actually 5% to make 5% per month to be in a list. If you make 5% of your account, you're actually a good for the trader per month. I'm talking about per month. Let's say if you have like $100 and you make 5 USD, if you're actually in a list of people, of forex traders, your name will be on a Google if you repeat that every day, every time. So now I'm trying to show you, you need to think in percentages. So you're gonna be a more what they call it, more of appreciate. You're gonna be grateful. You know what I mean? When you make 10% per day, like what we're doing in a free tele in our VIP group, we're making big percentages. Because we the best. We actually working. We know exactly what we're doing. But if you're actually making 5%, just know that you're in the list of profitable traders. And now let me ask you this: are you sticking to your plan, or you're actually like opening random trades? If you're actually opening random trades, you need to be stopped. You need to be stopped. You need to stop. You can't just be opening trades like anyhow. Then you need to have a plan to it. You know, and that's just it, man. That's just it. So if you have any of those signs, guys, let me know down below in the comment in the section. So right now we are during New York session, like I said. and we're actually checking I'm checking the chart right now. Remember, I only trade gold, so yeah. Whenever I get a trade here, I'm actually gonna open it and copy it and send in the VIP group where everyone is actually gonna benefit, and it's 100% free. I don't charge for anything. I don't charge. I don't sell anything. No courses, no signal. Everything is free. Go down below the comment. Just scroll up this video and click the link. It's gonna take you on a Telegram group. Join that Telegram group. You're gonna join the public group first. You join the public group. On the public group, there is a pinned message there, free VIP. Click that. It's gonna show you how to join it. It's 100% free. And I hope to see you there again. So that's the end of this video because I want to stay focused on the chat, and I will see you